Okay, now I'm going to find the focal length of the diverging lens. So this is my diverging lens. You remember the shape of the diverging lens. So it diverges light. Okay, so I have my light source at 6 centimeter position. So you can see here, and here I have my converging lens at 30 centimeter position. Now I'm going to get the image produced by this lens. Now let's see. So if I move this very closer, I don't have a clear image. So if I move this backward, I cannot get an image. So it doesn't matter where the position is, what is the position of the screen, still I cannot get an image. Why? Because diverging lenses, they diverge light. So they don't focus light into one place. So I cannot get image. But let's see this. So if I look through the through this lens, now that is the this is the light source, and you can see the image of the light source. It's a small but it is in the same side of the object. So this is my object and this is the lens. I can see an image somewhere here in between the light source and the lens. So let me turn off the lights. Light source, lens. I'm going to see from this side, and you can see. Let me see whether we can see it. Yes, I can barely see it now. Okay, let's try to get a better view of that. Not very successful. Yeah, it's not very successful. Let's turn on the lights. Okay, now you can see both image and the light source. The object, this is objects here, and the image, the small one, that's the image. So they are in the same side of the lens. Light source, image is in between them. So we cannot get that image to a screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a convex lens. So I'm going to use this convex lens. So I'm going to put this in 30 centimeter position. I mean, you can put that anywhere, but I'm going to put it at this 30 centimeter position. Now I'm going to move the screen to get a real image on the screen. Okay, now I have this real image. The image position is about 47.7 centimeters. That is the position. Now I'm going to put this the diverging lens, which is a concave lens, in between convex lens and the screen. Now this image on the screen going to be the object for this lens. Image produced by the convex lens, which is right here, going to be the object to the concave or diverging lens. Now I'm going to move the screen backward. See, now again I have a clear image. That is the image produced by this one. Now I can measure the object distance and image distance and use the thin lens equation to get the focal length of this lens, focal length of this diverging or concave lens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the position of this to 6 different positions and adjust this until I get a clear image. Then I measure the uh, image distance, that is the distance between this and this, or distance between this position and here. So I have the image distance. I know the object distance. What the object distance is, the distance between this and the image produced by this lens. Now image produced by this lens is at this position 47.7 somewhere here, and this is the distance between that image and the concave lens, and that's going to be the object distance for this lens, concave lens.